WeVideo also does allow you to create screencasts, animated GIFs, and podcasts, which may be of use in your classroom. Using WeVideo to create these things is very helpful because you can go back and edit and refine however you'd like. You can also add additional segments. You can put in transitions, or you can include photographs or video clips that you've created at other times or in other places and put together something that's much more cohesive. These types of features really are not available in Screencastify, which is really good for on-the-go teaching and instructing about how something works. So in order to create a screencast, I can do one of two things. I can start at the dashboard, or I can go specifically to a project. I'm going to demonstrate how to start at the dashboard. I'll go ahead and click recording. And what will happen now is it will prompt me to choose which project I'd like to put everything into. I can select anything that's already on the list. In this case, I'll choose the online PD course for WeVideo. I can choose to do a webcam only, screen only, or a combination of screen and webcam. I'll choose screen and hit next. I'll then select my audio source. In this case, I'm using an external microphone. I then can record the entire screen, which would include the dock with the clock at the bottom. I could choose the application window, which would have basically, in this case, the Chrome browser that I would see here without the dock. Or if I'm going to be in one tab, I can just specifically choose the tab within a browser. In this case, I'm going to use WeVideo. And I would hit share. What will happen now is anything that I do within this tab will be recorded, and anything I click and say will also be recorded. If I get to a point where I'm happy with it, I can hit stop. It'll then give me a preview of what I've recorded. I could watch it to make sure I like it, and if I do like it, I can hit save, and if I don't like it, I can record again. So once I hit save, it'll go ahead and it will drop it inside my video editor. I can now go ahead, edit, and do whatever I'd like to make this something that I want to have that's more refined and finished. Similarly, if I am within a project already and I'd like to make a screencast to add a different segment or section, I could choose to go to record. I'll again have a choice between the webcam, the screen and webcam. I'll choose screen. I'll again be asked to choose my audio source. I'll again be asked to choose how I want to record. In this case, I'll just choose my tab and choose WeVideo. It'll again give me my 3, 2, 1, and I would be able to record anything I'd like to record. And when I'm happy with it and I'm done with it, I would just simply hit stop, preview it, and then save it. And what you're going to notice now is I'll have two different segments that'll be popped into this WeVideo, which I can then refine, I can edit, I can transition, I can do whatever I'd like with it. So the beauty here of using WeVideo is that I could keep all these clips and do a lot more with them than I could maybe with, say, a Screencastify. Again, this may be very helpful for something that's more formal, for something that you're developing and creating for your classes or other things that you are part of on your campus.